All right. If you want to tell me like if I should like just give you a good question. So let's do the Malta again. Hi, I'm Johan Zammit. I'm the founder and CEO of Smart Studios. We help organizations ideate and build software products mainly in emerging technologies, particularly blockchain, AI and IoT. The way we got our first client is through a networking dinner. So I was sitting near a guy and he was telling me how passionate he is about blockchain. I told him I do blockchain software. It was like more fake it until you make it, because I was still building up to do blockchain software. The next day we met and he told me get a proposal. I gave him the proposal and from there we started ideating. I started building the team and then we went on from there. I started studying innovation management items. The initial idea was, let's organize an innovation day for the organization. And in meeting people around and networking, I started understanding that actually this challenge I have in innovating my own company, in building a culture of innovation within my own organization, it's not only me. Initially I thought like, yeah, this only us, we have this challenge, the others look so polished. But then like, no, everyone has this. So instead of doing an innovation day for the company, why don't we create a bit of a national innovation day? And that's how the Malta Innovation Summit, the first one, came along in 2017. We take the whole aspect of innovation. A lot of people doing their own stuff in their own industry, but then they can come together for an event or for a set of events throughout the week in October, every October in Malta, so that they share these stories of innovation, they learn from each other, they network, and from there they can do more business together. Malta is great for startups for a couple of reasons. Obviously, everyone provides incentives and provides the environment for startups to move into their own country. What Malta has up and above anyone else is a couple of things. Number one, we're an English-speaking country. We're an EU member. We have very aggressive tax incentives. Also, we have the sun and the sea. We are a Mediterranean island in the middle of the Mediterranean Sea, so there's the sun, there's the Mediterranean life, but there is also like the infrastructure. The last thing, and maybe very important, is that the government is pushing on the leading edge of blockchain, on the leading edge of AI, on the leading edge of space legislation. So coming to Malta, you'll find all the support you need to grow your company, hopefully into a unicorn. Malta Innovation Summit happens every October, the second week of October. This year it's the week between the 7th and the 11th, the main day being in the 11th. We're here at Arctic 15, we're here to scout the innovation that there is, but also to scout the best speakers, to scout some exhibitors, to scout people on the organizations that we can collaborate with, so that we produce a wonderful show in October. So I invite you all to visit our website maltainnovationsummit.com and find more information there.